Right, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the rear wheel arches now on the Land Rover Discovery Sport. So that one piece goes here and the second piece is actually part of the door. So let's do the big one first, Destiny. So open that door, get that door wide open. Right, now it goes from here up to there. Now there's no bolts, it's all just popper fixings. And we'll go through because they are a bit different. So I think it's better to start this side because actually on that side there's a little hook that hooks behind. We'll have a go. So I'll get your trim tool in and give it a fierce pull. Right, and then you should just be able to work it round and just pull it straight towards the camera. That's it. Right, and then bear in mind at the bottom you can't pull it straight out. You've got to sort of pull it up at the bottom. Right, so let's have a look at that bottom fixing. Whoa. Right, so here is the rear fixing. So can you see it's got a hook? And that hook hooks into or over the edge of the bumper there. So don't go pulling that out first. And when you put it back, make sure you sort of hook that bit and then work around. Now, you can see we have left a couple of soldiers behind. We've left one here, one there, one there. So let's get those out and we will show you which clips go where. Because you will notice that clip there is a different size to, there you go, they're those little, we call them ice gem clips. I think they're called lantern clips. But this one, he's a square bit. I did get him out earlier though. I did have a plate. He did come. I think you got to go 90 degrees because you got the wider bit, but you're not doing bad. That's it. All right. So you can see we've got like a big type and a small type there. Yeah. Sort of. Right, but there's actually 3 types of clip on here. So you will have to remove those clips. So before you put anything new on, make sure all your clips are out. Right, let's come up on the workbench, Destiny. Now, you will have to remove this clip if it's scratched or damaged, this trim, sorry. Or if you want to take your rear bumper off, because you will see here, you need to get to that rear bumper bolt. But that's all the fun for another day. Right, let's come up here, Destiny. Let's have a look. So, right, let's get the clips in the right place. Let's talk through the clips. So you start with your hook at the rear, and then you've got a location peg. Then it's a big white clip, a blue clip just for some variety. We like a bit of multicoloredness. Then you've got a normal ice gem clip. Then you should have another one, and you want to put that in and just slide it in, show how it fits in. So it just slides in. Then you've got another big one. Now this one is the tiny one. The little baby one goes in there, and he should just squeeze in there. Then a normal one. Then another normal one, and just put him in, and then a baby one at the bottom. He looks like he's got a little bit twisted, a little bit mashed. Just pull him out and put him in again. You want to put him in again while I film. So make sure you get the right clips in the right place. The trim is bent, is it?
Okay.
That's it. Right, that's that one done. Done. Okay, that's ready to go back on. Right, now let's get the trim tool again. Let's get the door bit off. Let's do the door bit. So it's easy to put back on. You don't need to watch us put back on. Right, we haven't done this yet, but apparently this has got some sort of integral clips. So what's your plan, Destiny?
I'm gonna go from the side.
You're gonna go from the side. You're gonna get a little.
Rubber as well. So.
Does the rubber come with it?
Is it separate?
Is it separate? We should have worked this out. I don't think so. I didn't see it on the listing that we've put these on the website. I reckon you're just gonna have to. Oh, that sounded good. Once you got a way in, there you go.
There's 2 parts to it though.
Is there?
Is it meant to come off?
I don't know.
One? Oh no.
Oh, right. So there are indeed 2 parts to it. So we sort of goofed that up a bit, but we break our car so you don't have to break yours. So there is the thing. Now these clips are not removable. These clips, you can see they're little sort of mouthy clips, and that literally just clips in. So I don't think there's any particular trick of doing that, but yeah, you need to get in your trim tool in past the little bit, don't you? And that just clips in. So there we go. That's how to do those two sets of trims. We've done the front ones in another video. I'll put the link to the front ones in the bottom. So there you go. Good luck with those rear wheel arch trims.